gorgeous. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique is our most expected and wanted sarees. These are all Katan silks and Thinshai weaving sarees, which I'm going to show you right now. These are all the varieties which we have. Super duper collections, I can say, and this is especially for the festive time. You can go for these collections with beautiful color combinations and of really a budgeted rate, because when you wear the sari don't look like of those rates, because these saris are very comfortable to wear, and it is very subtle because the borders are not gold in color. It's very subtle. Let me start the show like yesterday. We have numbered the sari, and according to the numbers you can find all the rates also. Number 1, number 2 saris I'm going to mention. So for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. This is the number 1 sari. So this is most wanted color, where people were asking for this color because this color is so amazing. Come closer, and you can see all the motifs over here, and this is the blouse part for this. Hope you can see it clearly. And the number 2 sari is this. It's a beautiful lemon yellow color with greenish kind of. These are all Thinshai weaving saris. Please read the descriptions carefully before placing the orders. And this is the blouse part. And the number 3 sari is this. See how pretty the saris are. And this is a Katan sari. Alright, see these. Such a beautiful response last time we got, where we are left with no saris last time, and this all very beautiful color combinations, and it gives really a rich look. And number 4 sari is the same sari, but the color only is different. That is red color, and this is navy blue color. See how beautiful it is. So beautiful. Come little closer. Yeah, so beautiful. And this is the blouse part for this. And number 5 sari is this, all over checked with motifs. Yeah, and see this, so beautiful it is. Hope you guys can see the collections clearly. And this is the sari as such. Such a beautiful sari. And this is the jacquard blouse. All comes mostly with the jacquard blouses. And this is number 6 sari. Once again, it's a beautiful subtle yellow color sari. See this, how beautiful the sari is. You can gift the saris because these are all economical ranges, and while gifting also, the people who receive the gifts will be very happy because the look is really great. This is number 7 sari. It's a blended color with a contrast matching border, and this is a jacquard blouse. It's a beautiful green color sari. And next comes our number 8 sari. Alright, see this, it's a beautiful deep violet color sari, violet navy blue kind of sari. And this is the sari as such. The borders are really pretty in this because as I said before, the borders are very subtle, and it beautifully gels with the sari. It never stands out like yellow color or some other color. And this is the another sari. It is number 9th sari. So see this, it's a vertical stripe sari, and it's a very beautiful concept. Now in trend both in salwar materials also and in saris also. And this is a jacquard blouse. And next comes number 10 saris. Totally I have today nearly 39 saris. Guys, you stick on to our video so that you can see all the collections. See this, such a beautiful amazing sari with a jacquard blouse. And once again, it's number 11 sari. See this, such a beautiful green it is, and all comes with a jacquard blouse. So that, see, the borders are so nice. For prices and product descriptions, you can log on to our website. And this is the number 12 sari. See these, so beautiful and amazing. It's an orange color with a beautiful color combination. Such a beautiful concept this one is. And this is the blouse part for this. Number 13 sari. Alright, what is that? Beautiful subtle yellow color with rose matching pallu and the border. See this, so nice and amazing. So that you can log on to our website for prices and product descriptions. Else, that is the same saree, number 14 saree. Else, if you need any assistance, you can WhatsApp to our number 958550176 and see this. Such a nice, amazing sarees. These are all economical, budgeted range, where this range will never reflect on the saree. This is number 15 saree, because the finishing in Shivani's boutique in each and every saree is so amazing. This is a Tansha weaving saree, alright. See this, how beautiful it is, and this is the blouse part for this number 16 saree. I will be little faster so that you guys can go through our video and also our website. Beautiful blue with green, and number 17 saree is this. So many were asking for this saree last time. Whoever missed the saree, please log on to our website, else click the above link, you will get the saree. And this is our 18th saree. It's a silver color saree with a black matching. Super duper collections, these are all. So the blouses have been clicked separately for you guys to understand how the saree really looks. All the sarees are being taken under the sunlight. And 19th saree, see this. This is a beautiful yellow color with an amazing green matching. All are beautiful, nice sarees. And 20th saree, see this. So beautiful and pretty looking sarees. These are all. Such a nice, amazing saree. Alright, what is my 21st sarees or these? Let me check. Blue color. It's a deep blue color saree. See, navy blue color saree with an amazing blouse. This is all like a rich, silk look. But it's not silk, but still it's a silk look saree. See this all over tissue saree. These are all Tansha weaving sarees. See these, so beautiful and amazing for this festive time, for this wedding time. 23rd saree is this. Body full box design comes with an amazing, beautiful combination. See this. The saree is so nice and elegant. Alright, this comes with the blouse. And my 24th saree is this. Orange with pink matching. Hope you guys are enjoying seeing our video with beautiful color combinations. Thank you so much for the wonderful response, where showers of positive response are coming all over India and all over the world too. 25th saree is this. All are different combinations with different concepts. This with parrot weaving all over, so that you guys can select according to your taste. And my 26th saree is this. All over jacquard saree. These are all Tansha weaving sarees, and the range are really amazing for this look. Super duper saree. And this is the blouse part for this. And my 27th saree is this. Beautiful, amazing concept blouse. You can go for an elbow sleeves or however you want it to. See this. The beauty of the saree is it's beautifully gels with a zari. That is the most important thing. And my 28th saree is this. Alright guys, see how beautiful these are all with comes with a different motifs. So you guys zoom the pictures and see how big border it is. It's so pretty, nice and beautiful. And my 29th saree is this. Such an amazing saree. Full this thing, it is full jacquards and so beautiful. And for this, the saree is really lightweight for this full jacquard. And my 30th saree is this beautiful bottle green color with a pink matching. How beautiful it is. And then 31st saree is pink. Pink lovers, so many options are there in pink today, so that you guys can grab your choice in pinks. And my 32 saree is this. It's a navy blue with a beautiful border. See this, such an amazing border. And the border is this match, so that you guys can go however you want it to. And my 33rd saree is this. See this. You can see the motifs are different, color combinations are different. In each and everything, the blue may differ. So you zoom picture and then place your orders. If you have any doubts, 34th sari is this. You can WhatsApp 999958. Sorry, I am forgetting. Let me concentrate on the sari. And this is the sari and this is the borders and everything. My 35th sari is this. See this once again. It's a beautiful pink. Lovely, beautiful pink color sari. And my 36th sari is this. Orange with pink matching. This is so nice. And the borders are really great. See this? Alright. And my 37th sari is this. All over jacquard. Katan sari. Katan silk sari. The sari is so nice and easy to wear also. See this? So nice and amazing. It's a wonderful sari. It really gives a rich look. And my 38th sari is this. Same. Only the color is different. Katan saris. See these. Such a beautiful, amazing sari. 39 sari is the sari which I am wearing. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed seeing our collections of Tanshoy and Katan weaving saris. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which will straight away lead you to that page. If you need any assistance, 958550162 is our WhatsApp number. We'll be back with lots new collection. Stay tuned with Shivani's Boutique. Thank you so much. Bye bye.